So the grains are draining. Got the burner going. It's just like a turkey fry that I found on Kijiji for like $50. Runs off propane, LPG, and a keg that I scored off Kijiji also that I cut the top out of. That's my keggle, and it's super basic system. It's like a 15-gallon keg, the top cut out of it. Does 5-gallon batches with brew in a bag. I can put about probably 20 pounds of grain in. I think the most I've ever done is 18, and that's it. So once you've started trying to get up to a boil, so you just crank it flat out, you've got to stir it really vigorously as it gets close to a boil, because you get this thing called a hot break, which I think is like the proteins like separating or something. Basically it just foams like crazy, and you don't want to lose too much too soon. My first beer that I ever made, I had it overflow, and the beer ended up trying to be like 19% alcohol or something, so obviously it didn't work. The yeast couldn't consume all of that sugar and it was overwhelmed. So yeah, I just got that going, and then I come over here and I just squeeze the bag. To squeeze or not to squeeze? I say squeeze because it doesn't really worry me. I've never tasted any of those tannins that people talk about. And I just dump it back in. That's it. I do a whirlpool at the end of all of this, so it's I get like a good break, so it's not like I have like super cloudy work going to the fermenter anyway, so it doesn't matter. I've got 3 different hops that are going to go in during the boil. I dump them all in with like 15 minutes to go, I think. So as soon as I dump them in, I've got an immersion chiller that I made up, which is just a piece of 1/2-inch copper that's like 50 feet long that I wound into a coil. I plug the garden hose into one side of it, and then I just drain, put it into I put it into a bucket, so then I've got hot water at the end, and I can use that to clean up with. But I normally end up filling 2 buckets, and I only have 1 bucket, so I fill 1 bucket, and then I just let it run out into the drain over there. Yeah, I'll come back when I add the hops or get to a boil.